Hello guys, Pawn here, welcome to Clean Review. As you already saw the title, yes, we are going to talk about this budget IEM earphones from the brand ROSESELSA. Actually, this released recently, model name is Photon Pro. In this video, we'll cover everything starting from design, comfort, sound quality, and I will also add some samples at the end of this video. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started. This is the package. Here at top, you can see the brand name. Here is the model name Photon Pro. On back side, you can see all the features. Let's open this. I think this is the main product. You'll get 4 pairs of extra tips of all sizes. And one is already attached to earphones. And this is cable clip. And this is user manual. And yes, we have earphones here. Coming to design, it has this L-shaped 3.5mm jack. Actually, this L-shaped pins right will extend life of your cable, and also this will be more comfortable to keep mobiles in your pockets while listening to music. And it has this braided wire for tangle-free experience, and quality is also good. And total wire length will be around 1 meter. Actually, this wire is removable. If you want to replace with Type-C in future, you can do that. And we have this control panel here with volume buttons. This is big when compared to other earphones. Of course, we can pause or play music with this. This earphones comes with this curved design to match the structure of your ears. And the wire goes around for better comfort and fit. Coming to sound quality, I have used this for a week now and I have listened to a lot of music from different genres. You can say that it has this medium strong and punchy bass. It's not too heavy, but you can feel this when you hear songs with strong bass. Coming to mid-range frequencies, vocals are clear, so they always try to balance instrumentals without overshadowing vocals. But I feel a little bit of bass is dominating mid-range frequencies. High frequencies are not too sharp. I didn't feel like it piercing in my ears or any fatigue while listening to a lot of high frequency notes. It was natural and smooth. So overall sound profile is smooth with balanced mix and little bit of bass dominated. Coming to mic quality, I tested from both indoor and outdoor for phone calls and voice recordings. Here is a sample voice recording directly from these earphones.
Now I am speaking directly from these earphones. Currently I am sitting in my room with fan noise in the background. You can check the quality.
I will talk about comfort and fit. Eartips provided inside the box are soft and can use this for a long time without any worries. I also use these earphones while running and cycling during my workout session. It didn't come off that easily. It was sitting perfectly in my ears. Now you can check the sample music here. Overall, this product is good at this price range. I will add a link in the description. Check out this product. Thanks for watching this video. If you want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe my channel.